Cut the onion into small cubes. Adjust the size according to your taste. Cut the sweet bell pepper into small pieces. Cut the hot chili pepper into small pieces. Adjust the quantity according to your taste. Finely chop the garlic. Chop the greenery. Peel and chop the tomatoes. To easily peel tomatoes, it is recommended to first scald them with boiling water. Heat a skillet with olive oil. Sauté the onion until softened for about 5 minutes. Add the sweet pepper. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garlic and chili pepper. Add the tomatoes and spices. Bring to a boil. And simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes. The shakshuka sauce should thicken. Season with salt and pepper to taste. With a cooking spatula or spoon. Create indentations in the tomato mixture in the skillet. Carefully crack the eggs into these indentations. Cook on low heat until the egg whites are set. Sprinkle the shakshuka with chopped greenery. Bon appetit, and thank you for watching!